So thank you for joining the cause for bird health. I'm going to talk about cleaning your bird feeders. This is one, ClearView Deluxe, that you don't need to use bleach. You can throw it in the top rack of your dishwasher. But for most bird feeders, you're going to use a diluted bleach solution, and I'll talk you through that here today. First, you have to assemble your ingredients. Dish soap to clean it, pre-clean it. You've got bleach that will use a 9:1 solution. You've got some brushes. We'll use this to measure the bleach. You must use gloves when you're using bleach. And remember, do not do this in your kitchen. Do not do this at your sink. Do this outside. All right, so the first step, take your feeder. Try to get the most of the seed that you can out. I've got a bucket of the dish soap and water, and essentially you're going to be plunging it in here, and we're going to be using a brush to brush off any of the crud that we can in the feeder. Sometimes, some of them, you'll have to take them apart a little bit to be able to get to it. All right, so the next step then is to create your diluted bleach solution. So pre-measured this. I'm going to be using 8 cups of bleach in this bucket so that we totally submerge the feeders. Okay, so it's been 10 minutes soaking in this diluted 9 parts water to 1 part bleach solution. Go ahead and empty this out best we can. We want to make sure we give it a really good rinse, because even traces of bleach for birds can be deadly. So we want to make sure we do really rinse it and then fully dry it out. All right, so thanks for listening to me today for how to clean your bird feeders. Thanks for joining the cause to keep your birds safe. And remember, ClearView Deluxe, you can use this if you just put it in the top rack of your dishwasher. Go to clearviewbirds.com. Take care of you.